Godric the bastard, now there is a prick. The way he treated his victims, it could make a man sick. It said he is evil, but now he's in jail, and I hope that they fix him to his bed with some nails. If I ever find him, I'll cut off his knob, then shove it up his ring piece or into his gob. He's evil, he's nasty, and I hope that he rots, for there's one deserves all the bad luck he's got. I'm glad he's in Mournhold, wish I knew in which cell. Then I'd bake him a pie which would send him to hell. For Godric the prick is a miserable disgrace, and if I ever find him, I'll spit in his face.
Well, that's what I heard someone say once.